Alright, I'm about to get y'all a donut in this motherfucker right now. I'm about to get y'all a good donut. We got the great camera angle right now. It's that shark Keisha. Slide in every corner we go in this motherfucker, y'all heard? I know what the fuck going on, you heard? I mean, make sure we Gucci. Make sure we Gucci. Make sure we don't fall off this shit. What y'all doing? I almost lost control of that bitch just now, I ain't gonna lie. I got you right now though, you about to get great camera, you heard? This shit sharp. You gotta go right now, Mo. Where the music at? You ain't playing no music in this shit. We in that shark 3.0 T. I gotta make sure nobody coming behind me. Right here, y'all. This the one right here, y'all. Watch this. Let me get to the stop sign. I couldn't do it right there either. There's too many people. There was too many people right there. I'm gonna get y'all another donut in a few. Yo, this shit pulled crazy. I'm gonna get y'all another donut in a few minutes. Hold on. This shit's crazy work. Let's put that bitch in manual. This shit chat. Right now. What number are they? Gotta get up in there, shorty. Boom, great pulls in this fucking shit, man. Great camera, ain't gonna know what it is. I ain't even gotta look at that motherfucker. Word. I'm about to get y'all a good donut, bro, up here, bro. I can't do it back there because there's too many people. I want to make sure y'all can hear me. I ain't trying to have the window open. What's that? Same car store back there. Gotta get the wheels a little wet. Shout out to my son Tay for that. Be digging. Nah, I ain't white lining now. That's OD. But we is getting in this lane right here though. We gonna go right here, matter of fact. I got y'all right here with a donut. We gonna do one donut and we gonna get the fuck on. As I always say, that's my favorite law. We gonna do one donut and get on. Get up out of here, shorty. I hope there's water back here. If not, that bitch ain't gonna slide, bitch. That bitch ain't gonna slide. We gonna go to the spot. I'm gonna take y'all. Don't ask me where we at. We in Mexico somewhere. Ready? This it right here, y'all. This the spot. This is my donut spot. Let me get the wheels a little wet.